That's right. Now our cadence will be at 70. The resistance is a little bit tougher here. Get ready to rock. When I say go, you'll feel that resistance get added on, and I need you to push. Maintain. 70 is your challenge. In 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. 70.
Guys, as you can see, I am at my parents', so I'm super glad to be here, but it didn't start off good, guys. Literally, I got here, I was really frustrated. I was ready to go home because I had to sit, had to sit in my car for 45 minutes because there was no parking. Like, I was on the fire hydrant waiting somebody to move their car. Finally, somebody moved their car after 45 minutes, and I was able to get a parking spot. Then I got come in. I did the typical daughter moment where you're kind of like checking on your parents. Yeah, right. Nothing odd. That kind of deal. Then it got even better. My bed is pretty old, and I broke my bed. When I tell you, it just was like folded up like a sandwich. Like, it folded me up like a sandwich. So, gotta get a new bed now. Which I don't know when we're gonna get a new bed, in the middle of a holiday. Because I'm going to sleep on the couch. So I'm like, I come here and I gotta sleep on the couch. Anyway, all that said, I did some reading. So, pause for a minute. I ended the door. Guys, you gotta check that book out. So good. Sorry. My candle acting up. Anyway, so I decided that I wanted to read a romance. And I picked up, guys, it's searching. I picked up Let Me Be Your Motivation. Now, this is an author I am not familiar with, and I enjoy this one. This is that kind of romance that I like, where a bad situation happened and you find a way to come out of it in a positive way, but have fun. So, Tay Monet, don't know this author. So, this is a woman who is getting ready to walk down the aisle, and on her wedding day she discovered that her fiance was already married with a child on her way. So imagine that heartbreak. She had a honeymoon plan, and she decided, you know what, she's going to take that honeymoon as a vacation to get away. So she went to Mexico alone, and while she's there grieving the loss of a relationship, she's drinking, and lo and behold, she connected with this guy that she went to high school with. They didn't know each other in high school, but she always had a crush on him. But you know, when you drinking, you get courage, liquid courage. And needless to say, they connected and had this romance in Mexico. And it become more because, one, he is a famous athlete. She didn't know that because she's been in her own world. She's like that geek, that bookworm person, always been from high school to an adult. So she don't keep up with stuff like that. While he is loving that, she doesn't really know who the hell he is. She doesn't really follow him. She's not drawn by his fame. She doesn't care about that. Matter of fact, she doesn't want to be a part of that. But I like it. It was short. I mean, it's give and take 200 pages, but it felt short because it went by so fast. I love it. It was a surprise romance. And And I like that it was sexy, simple, not too dramatic. But it's that at the end you just have that feel good moment where the good girl won kind of deal. That's how I felt. Now I have back to my TBR because that was not on my TBR. So we're back to these. This is what's left of my TBR. So as of now, I've read 4 novels because this was a novel, not a short story. So I had 4 novels and 1 short story. So I am considering picking this up next, but then I'm thinking Transcendent Kingdom is like, I kind of want to get that off since I already did the romance. So I'm going to do is, I'm going to read 1 chapter in this. Then I'm going to read 1 chapter in Transcendent Kingdom and then decide which one I want to continue with next. And that will break it down for me as far as what's the next book. So 1 chapter of each today, and I'll give you the rundown later on which one I choose. I'm also working on my planner for this week. So besides Vlogmas, I have other stuff to do now. I'm here very much not leaving the house unless I have to, which means my eye appointment. So I do have an eye appointment, which I was supposed to go back about 2 months ago, and I never went back. So now I'm not sure how my doctor gonna feel because I don't know if you guys remembered in about 3 months ago when I started having my eye problem I was telling you guys about, and I was struggling, and I went back to the doctor then, and he gave me some temporary lens in my other glasses, my clear glasses that I wear all the time. You notice I've been wearing these now. Now my vision came back normal, and so I can't wear those glasses anymore because the lens in there is just not, I can't, it's too it's like bifocal. That's what it feels like. So I'm back to my regular lens, but I need to go back for them. 1, he has to recheck my eyes. 2, he has to pop in my old lens back into the other glasses, and I'm due for new glasses, so we'll see. Pretty much what it was during the height of the pandemic, I was binging on a lot of stuff I'm not supposed to be eating. You know, I was eating ice cream. Those ice cream was on sale every week, so I was eating a pint of Ben & Jerry all the time and all these other junks that I was eating, and I was gaining weight and not taking care of myself. And apparently I've never experienced this in my life, but apparently my sugar level had spiked high, dangerously high, and that's where that came from. So I'm back to normal, but I am basically can't do that mess again. And I am instructed by my doctor that I have to lose weight. So that's another reason why you guys see me working out a lot now than normal. I'm still, it's the holiday season, so I'm trying my best not to fall back into the unhealthy eating trap, but that's another reason why I've been trying to eat a little better, trying to stay away from unhealthy food because of my eye situation. So yeah, that's the backstory about them glasses. And remember those hideous ones I was wearing? Yeah, those things were, yeah. So anyway, so I have my font that I did. This is my planner for this week, and I am pretty much adding stuff. Like I did my book orders for my mom for the Christmas gift because she wanted some books, and I ordered those. I ordered some for myself, but these are some books that's for pretty much next year, the beginning of next year. I have to start my first round of rum cake. Yeah, I'm cooking stuff I shouldn't be eating, but this is for someone. I have to make these rum cake, and these are for my mom's friends. They, you know, these are old ladies that they just love my rum cake. So I have to make the first batch this week, and then I have to I have my car note bill and all this other stuff that I want to do. Plus I have to start really aggressively start working on, I'm still on my first draft. I don't consider this an edit really, because like I said, I need to fix certain things in my draft and add certain things. So that I need to start working. So in here I have where I put like tomorrow I need to get between today and tomorrow I want to get through the first 3 chapters and then start the next 3 chapters afterwards. So hopefully this week I can do chapter 1 to 6 minimum to go over and to fix, like start fixing timeline. And that's what I have with this one. And yeah, I am going to try and figure out how I am going to be vlogging, because this house is not a vlog house. These people ain't about the camera life. So and there's absolutely no Christmas decoration in this house, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna have to fix that, where put some decorations up, hopefully try to convince my stepfather to go get a tree this week. I know he's free Thursday, but then there's supposed to be a storm on Wednesday. So I'm hoping there's no storm, because that's the day I'm supposed to go check my eyes. Who the hell want to be out here in no snow? Not me. So anyway, that's where we at. So I will check in with you throughout the day and let you know which one of these books I'm going to ride with for now. So yeah. Yep. That's what I have right now. And some journal entry. So guys, look at this book. Is getting thick as hell. I have to do journal entry. Oh, and I've been using the weeks, because you know I didn't realize that this started December, and so far I like it. Let me show you what my layout looking like for next week. For this week, sorry. So I haven't posted anything yet because I need to make some breakfast, but this is what how I set it up. So over here is where I'm gonna put down all I eat for each day, and then over here is some of the workout that I intend to do. So of course today was bike and abs, which you guys see. That bike is very hard. I like that bike. It's an expensive bike. I wish I could get one of those. And some abs, and then tomorrow I'm gonna try and do some upper body and yoga. So what I need to fill out is I need to put Monday beside here, so I can, you know, put like, this is what I did today. This is the intention for tomorrow, and here also Wednesday, where I have yoga, balance, and flexibility. And then down here I have 30 minutes where I say high intense cardio. This is going to be mostly for Saturday, and then you know, of course I'm going to do a rest day. But this is how I have it set up right now. And yeah, that's a pencil board. Draw a line here and then fill it out. But yeah, so far all I have is a tea, and yeah, so I've been using it. We'll see how it works, and when I go back, hopefully it's supposed to be February, to the dietitian, I will have this to go in and show her what I've been eating, so she can determine how to go forward into this weight loss journey that I have to do, because I ain't got no choice. So yeah, alright guys, I will check in with you. guys, yeah, it's a couple of hours. Time got a hold of me. So this, I decided, okay, I was gonna read one chapter of each, guys. It was too funny. One chapter was, the first chapter literally was, so you can see it, this page and this page. Yeah, 2 pages. So I said, no, let me just get into 2 chapters. So I read all the way 2 chapters in, and it was interesting because I get that it's some mental health going on with that. Sorry guys, I'm in the background. And then this one, 19 pages for 2 chapters. There's a whole lot going on with this. So I'm gonna continue with this one and probably read a couple of this as well, and I'll give you the rundown. This is gonna be the last Harlem Renaissance for the year, and then I'll just talk about it later. But it's, the dialogue in this is kind of funny because it really, he writes like how they would talk in Candace, yeah. I'll give you a rundown as in another reading vlog, okay? So yeah, this one is interesting so far. And then this one just looks like it's gonna be some heavy story because it's dealing with mental illness. And so we'll see where this goes. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this here, guys. I am relaxing. I ate good today. My mom, you know, some salmon. She did her thing. It was yummy. And my bed was ordered, so it should be here in a few days. But I'm gonna be living the couch life for a few days. But I'm okay. So yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. It's another chill vlog. And as I get back and adjust the situation. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.